Hello guys, what's up? It's Kelvin here once again. So today I'm just going to talk about ghost note. A lot of people actually wanted me to make a video on this. Yeah, I made a video on this actually sometime last year. I don't think I can remember. Yeah. So I'm just remaking the video now for those who have not watched it. Right. So what are ghost notes? So ghost notes are notes that are lightly striked or plucked while muting, right, in playing, and they have percussive rhythmic value. So another thing is they have tone in them, so you can actually hear the notes. You can actually hear the notes, right? You can hear the note. You can actually decipher because you can say this is a note that is being played. So there is actually what we call dead note, or what are called dead notes. So dead note has no there has no tone, right? You can't hear the notes, but they also have percussive rhythmic value. So this is what I mean. So this is ghost note, right? You see, you can actually hear. You can actually hear the notes. Now these are what we call dead note. You get it? You can't hear the note. But ghost note are. You see, you're playing them lightly, but in a muted way, and it's giving you that that percussive rhythmic value, right? You get it? So another interesting part of it is you can combine. In fact, that's what actually we do, combining the dead note and your ghost note all together, which we generally also call it ghost note. You get it? So combining dead notes and the ghost note together. So what I mean is, you see, this is a ghost note, dead note, ghost note, dead note. So combining both of them together, actually, right? We also call it. You can also generally call it a ghost note, right? So now, this is how to actually use it. Now you can just, let's actually start from a major scale, something simple, right? So you can just you get it. So you can just, like I said, a major scale. So one, two, 1, 2, right? To 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. This is actually where the work is. The work is mostly on the right finger, right? On right hand, sorry. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, then 8. So you see how it's sounding, right? So you can just actually just create something with it, right? You can actually create an exercise. You can just do, fa, so, fa. You see how my fingers are moving, so you just continue. Like I said, they are percussive and have a rhythmic value. So right, so we have the combination of the ghost note and dead note, making it generally called ghost note, right? So I just want you to understand the differences, right? So you need to actually do a lot of exercise with this for you to get mastery. You get it, right? So just try. The simpler way for you to just get it is just 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Then start adding notes. 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 2. So like I said earlier, it's a combination of the dead notes and the ghost notes, right? So dead note is ghost, dead, ghost. So like I said, dead notes are notes you can't actually hear the notes, while the ghost note you can actually hear the notes. You can decipher the notes, so they have tone in them. fa, sol, la, ti, do, ti, la, sol, fa, mi, re. Do next. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, ti, la, sol, fa, mi, re. You can just try doing the exercise like that on all keys, right, differently. So let's play so try to measure. You see? So just create something. Just try as much as possible to just create something. Let's think of a simple song, right? You can just Lord, I give you my heart, I give you my soul, I live for you. So another thing is try as much as possible. There are a simpler way for you to use it. For this kind of song, if you are continuously using it, it's going to make the song too busy. Right? The idea of it is to make, so if you are playing it in something that is a little bit in the mid tempo or fast, that is where you actually enjoy using it, right? Because it's going to keep you on that time and rhythm. But something slower like this, right? It just so you just know how to use it once in a while. But if it is a little bit faster, you get it. So yeah, practically that is what is generally called ghost note or dead note, right? So generally, so just try as much as possible. Just create something with it. Create something to practice it a long time. Use a metronome. Just try as much as possible. Use a metronome. Start slow as possible before you step up the tempo. Start as slow as possible, right? Before you step up the tempo. So practice like that steadily. I'm sure you're going to get it. It's very simple. So it's actually going to make you sound professional while playing, right? No matter how novice you are, if you're actually using it, there's a way it actually makes you feel and sound, right? It's going to make you sound good, right? If you know how to use it and when to use it. Yeah, so just try it out. Thank you.